abananchi bande unenchira ya moyo kurigia kubwatia na kumanya hebirengerero byabo bosio bokwariganirwa kwa moyega boko mwene musike Raila Odinga abo litukoria anke tigaturagaria na aria yabasanga no murikito Caroline Mosa
Mwancho muligerera bwen Soko TV ni gongo gochera ya mase ye mokorwa somogondo bwa opoda farm korwaiga ase enkaya nyagosira Raila Amolo Odinga bwasina beregi ngotara na bego kwana negatia baba kolera gaiga babaire bagotweresara igore amagomba abo anene mono bono ni gontagete tobe to kwemanya igore Ekemira ekekia luo culture igioko Okoenia oyo abaire gagosira ninde negatia bagaka gaiga babe bagotweresara buna bakonyara bakora. Karibu sana kaka, ningependa uanze kwa majina yako alafu tueleze je ni taratibu gani mnaweza kuwa mnazifuata ili kuzika mtu. You can do it in English, it's okay. Utaanza kwa majina yako.
I'm Lawrence Ayeko. I'm from Homa County. So here we are at Opoda farm, the home of His Excellency the former Prime Minister Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. So that's why we are here, because he passed away. So we have come to mourn with the family and the entire Kenya and the entire nation. Yes.
So when a person has died in the Luo culture, how long do you take to mourn the person?
Now first, in most cases, when a person dies, we usually take 2 weeks to bury. That's the minimum for those who cannot afford. But for those who can afford, it can take 1 week, which is the so minimum to us. So it depends with whatsoever you want to do. What next?
Now, when, for example, this, in the case of Raila Amolo Odinga, you see, according to his will, he only chose that he should be buried within 3 days. What's your opinion on that?
The opinion, we cannot talk about the will of a person, because that's a right for every given person to have a will. But the will was too short for the preparation, and the will was also too short for Kenyans even to come and mourn him the way we wanted to do it. Because according to us, we expect even Raila Odinga to be taken to the ODM zones, or the semi zones, especially in Mombasa, those sides of northeastern, and we expect him to be taken to western in Kakamega, and then being brought back to Nyanza in our counties, because those are the strongholds of Raila Odinga, and we expected everything to be the way we wanted it. But now, because it was a state function and the will was there was nothing we could do, but we could just accept the situation, and that's why today the government has done a good thing by doing everything at the shortest period, but all did not go well, because things are also being done at this time. So we thank the government for carrying out those expenses that we could have taken as time. Yeah.
Now, maybe in this case of Raila Amolo Odinga, maybe you can tell us 2 or 3 things according to the Luo culture which you do to mourn during the burial ceremony. How do you usually do it?
Now, in first case, in the longest period, we used to say that if a person dies out and is being brought, we used to pass through the fence, not through the gate. So that one, it could come that way. And then if the person was brought by the vehicle, then when that vehicle was going back, we could give it a chicken. So this chicken was supposed to be thrown away after passing the gate. Then after that, when the time of preparing the grave comes, then we could use his brother or other people to break the ground. But today we are using the church as a symbol of saying that we have changed and we have also gotten Christ. So that's what it's supposed to do. Then after that, we could take some periods. Then there was something like cutting the hair, a small sign, which could be done to the family members. That one could take after 3 days or 1 week. Then after that, we could be having what you call it teroburu, which would be taking even after some 2 weeks. Then that teroburu could be taking place. Sometimes it has been passed by event. Then we could be having a certain period of having something like inheritance, where you can have just a major and come and get into the house, which depends now today with the family or with the person that is interested in it, but not a must at this level.
You've talked about teroburu. You know, many of us don't understand. Maybe how do you usually do it? Maybe you can highlight it to us.
Teroburu is something in the period of the all the morning session of
rakoba ba kumutindeka kurende nanye naboni gatebire buna egatie bikoro biri barego bikora bwasa matukama egabyabere bigwetwa nechingaki korwaiga ase omochibo poda fam tokendere gokoba mangana aye mase ye mobuna kobaga gokorekana kurende go ikaboni gani gondo chebuna lire lya nyare kobali gosareka bono ni gotoroche embura yabeire kobage gotwase chinseme chiga kurende ntobeto komanya amange korwaiga opoda fam gikoripoteri ama yemene Soko TV Eliateria Nemausa Caroline.